Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's on everyone's mind, AI. But we're not just talking about the basics. We're going beyond the hype to uncover the AI tools that are genuinely reshaping the landscape for creators, freelancers, and anyone looking to boost their productivity in 2025. This isn't just about what's new, it's about what's truly effective and gained. So, if you're ready to level up your skills and maybe even start a new side hustle, you're in the right place. We've got a lot to cover, from content creation to mind-blowing visuals, so grab a notebook and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the undisputed champion in the world of text and ideas, ChatGPT. Now, I know what you might be thinking. ChatGPT, isn't that old news? But here's the thing. The ChatGPT of 2025 is a completely different beast. It's evolved from a simple chatbot into a comprehensive creative partner. For freelancers, it's like having a brainstorming team, a copy editor, and a market researcher all rolled into one. Available 24/7. Imagine you need to write a blog post. You can ask it to generate 10 different headline options. Create a detailed outline, write the first draft, and then even suggest SEO keywords to help it rank better. It's not about replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it. It handles the grunt work, like research and basic drafting, freeing you up to focus on the high-level strategy and unique insights that only you can provide. It's an indispensable tool for scripting videos, writing emails, coding, or just getting unstuck when you have writer's block. It's the ultimate idea machine. Now, let's move from text to visuals. The second tool that is absolutely essential for 2025 is Leonardo AI. If you've ever thought, I have this amazing visual idea, but I can't draw or afford a graphic designer, then Leonardo AI is your new best friend. This platform has made creating stunning, professional-quality images from simple text prompts not just possible, but incredibly easy. What sets it apart is the level of control and the hyper-realistic output it can produce. We're talking about generating photorealistic portraits, intricate fantasy landscapes, or sleek product mock-ups in a matter of seconds. For freelancers, this is a goldmine. You can create custom graphics for social media posts, unique illustrations for a client's website, or even concept art for a project pitch. The wow factor is undeniable. A client asks for a futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying cars. No problem. You type it in, and within moments, you have several high-resolution options to choose from. This tool single-handedly democratizes high-end visual creation, and you won't believe the quality you can achieve. Finally, let's bring it all together with video. Content is king, but video content wears the crown. And the third tool you absolutely need to master is CapCut. While there are many powerful video editors out there, CapCut has become the go-to for quick, efficient, and AI-powered editing, especially for short-form content. It's incredibly user-friendly, but don't let its simplicity fool you. It's packed with advanced features that are powered by AI. For example, its auto-captioning feature is remarkably accurate and saves hours of tedious work. The background removal tool works with a single click, allowing you to place yourself in any setting you can imagine. It also offers smart templates that analyze your footage and suggest edits, cuts, and music to match the rhythm and style of your clips. For a freelancer or a small business owner, this means you can produce polished, engaging videos for platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok in minutes, not hours. It streamlines the entire editing process, making professional quality video accessible to everyone for free. So let's recap the Power Trio for 2025. We have ChatGPT as our all-in-one idea and text generator, Leonardo AI for creating breathtaking custom visuals from scratch, and CapCut for editing dynamic AI-powered videos with ease. The real magic happens when you combine these three tools. Imagine this workflow. You use ChatGPT to script a short educational video. Then you hop over to Leonardo AI to generate custom eye-catching visuals and backgrounds that perfectly match your script. Finally, you import everything into CapCut. Use its AI features to quickly add captions, remove backgrounds, and edit it all together into a slick, professional-looking video. This entire process, which once would have required a team of specialists and days of work, can now be done by one person in just a couple of hours. This is the new reality for content creation and freelancing. But why is this so important right now? The world is moving faster than ever, and the demand for high-quality digital content is exploding. Being able to produce more, faster, and at a higher quality gives you a significant competitive advantage. For freelancers, it means you can take on more clients, deliver projects faster, and command higher rates because your output is top tier. For anyone looking to start a side hustle, these tools lower the barrier to entry to almost zero. You no longer need expensive software or years of technical training to start a YouTube channel, a graphic design service, or a social media management agency. The power to create is literally at your fingertips. Embracing these AI tools isn't about taking shortcuts. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about automating the mundane so you can focus on the strategic, creative work that truly matters. The key takeaway here is that AI is not a trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we work and create. The people who will succeed in the coming years are the ones who learn to leverage these tools as partners. Think of them as your creative co-pilots. They can handle the navigation and the technical checks, allowing you, the pilot, to focus on the destination and enjoy the flight. The opportunities are immense. You could start an entire business creating AI-generated art, offer video editing services using CapCut's efficiency, or become a highly paid prompt engineer who helps businesses get the most out of tools like ChatGPT. The skills you build today by mastering these platforms will be incredibly valuable tomorrow. So, my challenge to you is this. Don't just watch this video. Pick one of these tools, just one, and spend 30 minutes playing with it today. See what you can create. You might just surprise yourself. And that's a wrap on our top 3 AI tools for 2025. We've covered a lot of ground, from generating text with ChatGPT, creating images with Leonardo AI, to editing videos with CapCut. I hope this has opened your eyes to the incredible potential that AI holds for your creative and professional life. The future is here, and it's more accessible than ever. If you found this video helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve with more AI hacks, tutorials, and tool reviews, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post new content every week designed to help you thrive in the digital age. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep creating.